Hello everyone! Are you aware that Zoho Creator allows you to create a customized template of records in your application? Be it brochures, invoices, certificates, visiting cards or campaign emails, you can customize the display format of your record with the help of record templates. Additionally, you can print or export records in these customized layouts or use them as email attachments in your Zoho Creator application. A record template, as the name suggests, is a customized view to display the individual record information of a form in a visually appealing and organized manner. Among endless possibilities, let's learn this functionality by creating an invoice for an order management application. This is an invoice created using record templates. Let's see how to do this step by step. This is a sample app for a home appliance store. We need to create an invoice based on this order form. Once we create it, we'll also take a look at the possibilities of utilizing the template in your Zoho Creator application. Go to the application settings in the editor and choose Record Templates. All the record templates you create gets listed here. Click Create Template. You can choose to create from scratch or from the various template options provided in Zoho Creator. For demonstration, let's create from scratch. Choose the form based on which you need to create the record template. Let's choose the order form. Now, give a name and click Create. The template designer opens. The template follows an easy "what you see is what you get" interface. Based on your creative requirement, you can add elements such as heading, paragraph, images, table, and include spaces in between. Let's use some of the elements here and see. Let's start by adding headings. We need titles indicating the company name and invoice here. When you click on the respective text box, all the various options to experiment with the text layout can be seen. Let's add colors, change the font size and style here. Next, let's add a logo here. For that, choose Image and upload it from your device or add a web link. Next, let's choose the paragraph tool to add the address below the company name. Based on your preference, tables can also be added. Also, spacer can be used to position your data by giving ample spaces and avoid a cluttered look. We need dynamic data to be added in the invoice. You can insert fields from the form you have chosen to include dynamic values in your template. For that, let's use the Fields tool and choose the appropriate fields here. Let's add order number, order date and time, and ID number. We need to mention the billing and shipping address too. Let's again use heading for that and insert the fields. You can choose how the field name and value needs to be labeled. Just click on the field and on top you can see the label and format options to customize. Let's remove the label. Let's add some colors to make it visually appealing. Next comes the important part, details of the products purchased. The order form has a subform named Items. You can access subform and look up field values to insert to the template. Let's choose Items and insert product name, quantity, and subform fields here. You can add spaces and position the fields as per you wish. Let's also change the label layout here and add borders to the text box. Let's also add grand total field here. Now, Towards the bottom, let's customize thank you and helpline messages. You can even add hyperlinks to redirect to a URL, email, anchor, or add files. Just select the word, choose the hyperlink icon, and insert the desired option. For now, let's hyperlink Zoho Creator website URL here. You can customize the page dimensions and layout type from the top of the builder. To rename the template or make changes in the layout later, you can do that from the properties icon on the top right corner of the builder. The template is now ready to use. This template can be used for multiple purposes. In emails as attachments, for printing purposes, and exporting as a PDF. Let's try and see what a record looks like when you print it. By default, records are printed in detail view. But when you have multiple record templates to choose from, you can go to Report Properties, choose Print in PDF, and select the template of your choice. Now, access the application and let's print a record from the orders report. Select the record and choose Print. Choose the layout of the print. You can go to More settings and choose whether to include header and footer and the graphic elements. Now, save and download. As you can see, the invoice has been generated with the dynamic values based on the record. This was just a sample invoice created in a couple of minutes. With your creative inputs, you can explore the full potential of record templates to create amazing templates for your unique business needs. That's all for now. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about Zoho Creator and press the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video releases. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.